Welcome to the Overthinking Olympics. No gold medals, just anxiety and lost sleep. But today, we end that. We are going to break your overthinking streak. But will this really work? Stick around till the end of the video to find out. The best tip is waiting for you at the end. Trust me, it's easy. Overthinking isn't thinking, it's marinating in your own fear. You're not solving problems, you're just arguing with your imagination. First, let's nuke a myth. Overthinking isn't caused by being smart, it's caused by being scared. Fear of messing up, of being judged, of choosing the wrong avocado. Step 1. Say it out loud. Seriously. Say your thoughts like you're narrating a Netflix documentary. What if they think I'm weird? That's right, Brad. What if they do? Are we gonna die? No. Then move on, champ. When you vocalize overthinking, it sounds ridiculous. Because it is. You deflate the thought just by exposing it. Step 2. Give your brain a job. Idle brains don't rest, they riot. Ever notice how your brain goes turbo mode at 2 am? That's boredom with a megaphone. Give it a task. Write, draw, scream into a pillow. Creatively. If you don't steer your brain, it will crash into every stupid thought you've ever had. Step 3. Time box your thinking. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Obsess, spiral. Think your little thoughts, but when the timer rings, you act. Brad used to spend 3 hours choosing a phone wallpaper. Now, 2 minutes. Pick one, no regrets. It's not a prison. It's just a wallpaper. Relax. Step 4. Flip the question. Instead of, what if this goes wrong? Ask, what if this goes right? Overthinkers always imagine the worst. It's like owning a crystal ball that only shows you disasters. Newsflash. 90% of what you overthink will never happen. The other 10% will be mildly awkward and then forgotten in the next 5 minutes. Step 5. Action kills doubt. Overthinking is the brain's way of avoiding action. But when you move, boom, the overthinking shrinks like it owes you money. Brad finally posted that project. No one laughed. In fact, 3 people said, cool. That's it. Apocalypse is cancelled. Step 6. Embrace good enough. Overthinkers want perfection. But perfection is a lie told by your ego to keep you frozen. Start ugly, finish better. Done is better than perfect. You'll learn more by failing forward than by thinking in circles. Still waiting for that final boss moment? Here you go. Let's have a quick recap, Brad style, before we get to the boss. First, say it out loud. Second, give your brain a task. Third, use the 2-minute rule. Fourth, flip the question. Fifth, take messy actions. Sixth, stop chasing perfection. And now, for the moment everyone's been waiting for, the final boss tip. The one that punched Brad's overthinking in the face. Step 7. The golden rule. Zoom out. Ask, will this matter in 5 days, 5 months, or 5 years? Brad is now stressing about a missed text. Time jumps forward. Nobody remembers it. This works because overthinking magnifies the now. It tricks you into thinking a small mistake is the end of your reputation. Spoiler alert, it's not. People are too busy overthinking their own lives to remember yours. You're not the Truman Show, you are free. Every second you spend looping thoughts is a second not building your dream. Texting that person or eating tacos. Priorities, people. Brad finally stopped replaying conversations. He realized that overthinking never once fixed anything, it just delayed living. You don't need another productivity app. You need to take the thought out of your head and drop kick it out of the window. And hey, you just made it through a whole video without spiraling. That's a win, right? Now do it again, but in real life, Brad style. Like, subscribe, and share this with that one friend who replies, and then thinks about it for the next 3 days. You know who they are. This is me, Brad's therapist, probably. And you just learned how to shut your brain up the fun way.